What's up guys, it's your boy Cody and we're back here in the warehouse giving you a look at the newest addition to the NVX lineup. These are the new NVX MDF boxes and a lot of cool qualities with these things. First and foremost, made right here in America, so you don't have to worry about any port delays or any shipping issues. Secondly, these things come in a variety of all the sizes you'd expect with 10, 12, and 15 inches. We've got them in the single and the dual, both ported and sealed. So any box that you're looking for there, NVX has you covered. Another great feature about them is they are true to their 3/4 inch. We're not trying to cheat you and give you like a 5/8. You know, you're getting all the bang for your buck here. And of course they come with a nice black carpeted finish there, which is real durable, real sturdy. As you can see, even the corners, you know, that's kind of the most common part to kind of break off. These made it here without a problem, without getting any nicks or anything, and I'm sure they'll make it to your door just the same. Be sure to check out the link in the description below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.